This is pretty badly broken, as one can see. This is what you need. First some pliers, then try to break this off here. I think this comes off quite nicely. Yep. Then it's good to have this round edge, round possibility here. So first take this last plastic piece off, and then have to put the edge somehow straight. Yes. And it's a good idea to use like handada. What's this? Hirmupaperi. And then just clean this a bit. Looks like this. Testing, does it fit fine? Yes, fits fine. Okay. And then just put there some glue. Oh, this doesn't open anymore, fine. Just some glue here. Oh, and this is fitting nice. Then we put here some glue. Oops, it's a bit too much. Well, never mind. And then make sure that this nock here is aligned with the outside feather. Yeah. This one here. And that's it. You nock.